guys, welcome to this episode of Bread Trucker Uncut. I'm going to do a quick and dirty episode this time. I'm going to do a very quick episode about what work I'm doing on the 1979 tin top Volkswagen bus to get primed again, sealed, and painted in just a couple days here. Just trying to get it ready to go in the paint booth. I'll show you what I'm doing. Come on. Let's skip this rainy day and fast forward to a day where we can actually get some work done. This is just some random video I took of a Porsche 911 that they're restoring at the shop. It's one of my dream cars. Everything about these cars I just love. It has the rear engine, rear wheel drive. It's like a little go-kart. It's just got such cool curves with the flared out fenders and the whale tail. You know, these cars are just classic, and a lot of people are Lamborghini, Ferrari fans. I've always been a huge fan of Porsche. This is the current condition of my Volkswagen bus, my 1979 two-tone yellow and white bus. Now, there's really not all that much to say about it. We are in the bodywork phase, and it takes a long time. Here's a little shot of the motor. It's got a really nice, freshly rebuilt motor that only has a handful of miles on it. It's never even been driven on the street. And here's the other side. It's looking pretty good, getting closer to the final product and getting ready for some primer to go on it. Look, there's no way to fancy it up. Bodywork is just tedious. It is an art form, and I don't fully comprehend it. I only know the very little basics. Jason, on the other hand, is an absolute beast. I don't know where he gets the energy to do what he does. Jason is the owner of Stratton Motorsports, and I recently started an apprenticeship at Stratton Motorsports. Unfortunately, since I travel, I'm not at the shop all that often. When I do return to Orlando, I usually pop in and see if I can pick up a few new skills, and of course help out around the shop a little bit. You'll see Jason doing some body filler work on the driver's side rear panel. Jason is straightening out the panel right now. As you watch these clips, you'll see day turn into night, and this is the way things go many days at the Volkswagen shop. Volkswagens are owned by a peculiar group of people, some of the best people in the world. Hit up a Volkswagen event and you'll probably have a good time. At least you'll see some cool cars. I don't know what it is about a Volkswagen. It just has this certain character, this reminiscent feeling comes about. It just reminds you of the old days. They're typically not all that fast or capable at handling, but they have one of the highest smiles to the gallon of any car that you can get. I would really like to thank Stratton Motorsports, all the guys over at Stratton Motorsports. I know I buzzed around for about a month there trying to work on my bus, and I'm really a doofus when it comes to this sort of work, and I don't know anything. So I had a lot of questions and needed a lot of help. I really appreciate all the help and work that was put in on my bus by everyone. I mean, you could see the amount of work Jason is putting in. It is a very long process to get a car ready for paint. Endless sanding happens over and over and over again. It seems almost endless. And then suddenly, one day, it's like overnight, bam, the bus is done. And it's ready to drive. That day is coming soon. It's getting very close. You don't think maybe it was a little bit cold sitting on top of a giant block of frozen milk? Did you just hiss at me? The freezer fairy is about to come through and fucking regulate. That's a fact. I think I have a alien baby, reptile baby coming up. Oh, do you have those out of your butt?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, alien. Hello, my baby. Yeah. Hello, my darling. Hello, my springtime girl. I forget the song. That was pretty close, I think. Interesting approach. I may have to try it that way. Yeah, that's what I like is the creamy, I like the mixture of the freezer could be a little bit colder. It's not the coldest. Stuff in there. You have to do a rim job nonstop to keep up with it. Oh, and then you get a little rim job juice over the side sometimes. It's just a little brown juice.
Is that what you call it?
Well, howdy. Did you eat dinner? Did you eat dinner?
Dinner.
Did you eat dinner? Do you want me to throw a couple hot dogs in for you?